In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use drag and drop in Notion. Drag and drop is one of the simplest but most powerful ways to organize your pages. So let's walk through exactly how it works in the latest Notion interface, step by step. First, open up any Notion page that has a few blocks already on it. A block can be anything: a paragraph of text, a heading, a to-do item, an image, a toggle, or even a database. Every piece of content in Notion lives inside its own block, and that's what you'll be moving around. Move your mouse slowly over one of these blocks. Don't click yet, just hover your cursor somewhere over the block's content. As you do this, look to the left side of the block. You'll see a small 6-dot handle appear. It looks like a tiny grid of dots. This handle doesn't show all the time. It appears only when you hover, so if you don't see it at first, just move your mouse slightly until it pops up. Once you see that 6-dot handle, move your cursor directly on top of it. Now, click and hold down your mouse button. Keep holding. This is what tells Notion you want to pick up that block. You'll notice the block lifts visually from its original position and follows your cursor. While still holding the mouse button, start dragging the block up or down the page. As you drag, pay close attention to the blue guideline that appears. This guide is really important because it shows you exactly where the block will land when you let go. When the blue line is horizontal, stretching across the page between two blocks, that means Notion will drop your block in between those blocks, in a normal vertical stack. This is what you'll use most of the time to reorder content, moving paragraphs, headings, and lists up or down the page. If the blue line turns vertical, running from top to bottom, that means you're about to create or join a column. Dropping a block on a vertical blue line places it side by side with another block, which is great for multi-column layouts. For example, you might keep text on the left and images or checklists on the right. When the blue guide is exactly where you want the block to go, simply release your mouse button. The block will snap into place at that location or in that column layout. You can repeat this process with any block on the page, rearranging your content until it feels clean, logical, and easy to scan. Once you get used to hovering for the handle, clicking and holding, and watching the blue guide drag and drop in Notion will feel fast and intuitive every time you organize a page.